Working in the technical industry and wondering what if every work order, every technician, and every site was visible on one live map, in real time? With MAPOG you can ensure every task is assigned and field progress tracked. Start by heading to story.mapog.com now. Click on Task Management on the dashboard. Create a new custom location template to restore all your location attributes. Click Create New Task and create new custom location. In the custom location settings, click Add New Custom Location Template, add a title, color, set geometry as a point. Include attributes like client name, area type, and facilities to add all your details with attribute type like select, multi-select, text to define each space clearly according to their purpose. Next, create a completion form to capture quality checks and site details. Go to the completion form setup in the top right corner. Next, locate your custom location template on the left. Under Task Types, select all tasks and build your own completion form. Add questions and set answer types like text inputs, yes, no checks, selections, or photos, everything needed to verify work on site. Next, click on Create on the MAPOG dashboard to create a new map. Choose Story Template as category. Give it a title, description, and enable task management. Optionally, add an image to your map for clarity. Next, upload locations. Go to Process Custom Location. Click on Add by uploading CSV Excel to upload all your attributes and location coordinates at once, and select the custom location template that you recently created. Browse your file and upload. Now, define location fields. Start with a unique ID, so that the location can be tracked reliably later on. Then, match attributes to Excel columns along with field types like latitude and longitude. Each location is auto-plotted on the map. Now, use tools like Group By to group your attributes together, Filter to selectively view your locations, and Sort By to sort your location by distance. Optionally, you can edit the location details. Go to Edit Custom Location Details, add images or other details and save. Now, click on the location and select Add Task. Give the task a title, description, due date and deal value. Also, select task status as open or assigned and set the task priority from urgent to low. Go to Task Type, Manage Settings and set up the type of tasks that you will perform like check, fix or work. Next, assign the team members by using the Add New Member button. Add email address and select the role such as admin or others. Then, select the team member for the required task. Then save the task. Now, personalize your locations. Go to Add Layer Style, Category. Select the attribute by which you want to distinguish. Select different icons, colors, and save. Field teams use the MAPOG Contributor app to view tasks by map or list, can filter their tasks as well as update status of their work, and submit completion forms, with before and after images. In the Task Management section, you can filter tasks by priority, due date, etc. Further, you can review the submitted tasks and mark them as done. With MAPOG, you do not need to manage solo in the dark. You can put every site, every task, and every technician on one live map. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.